Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 Universal System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 Universal System for therapy. The Universal System is designed for versatility. It can be used on various parts of the body, such as the hip, thigh, calf, or torso. Start by choosing the right strap for the area you're treating. Use the small strap for limbs or smaller areas, like the calf or thigh. Use the large strap for broader areas, like the waist or torso. Attach the plain end of the strap, the one without the logo, to the loop material along the edge of the device. Position the therapy location markers directly over the area you want to treat. Wrap the strap around your body and fasten it securely to the loop surface on the device. Use the adjustable strap glider to fine-tune the fit so it's secure. Just be sure not to over-tighten. It should feel comfortable, not restrictive. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.